Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. In today's English class, we are going to revise the chapter number 4 from your English reader textbook. The title of this chapter is The Ant and the Dove. So we already have learned this chapter. So I just like to revise this chapter. So this chapter is nothing but the story of two friends, Ant and the Dove. One day, Ant was busy in searching its food on the riverbank, and the strong wind came and blew the ant into the river. Then ant started drowning into the water. At the same time, there was a dove who was sitting on the tree, and dove saw ant that ant needs its help. Then what dove did? Dove plucked a leaf and dropped that leaf into the water near the ant, and in this way dove helped ant to save its life. And after few days, when dove was resting on the tree, a hunter saw dove. Then hunter wanted to shoot the dove with his gun. So when hunter was aiming his gun towards the dove, ant saw this, and ant also decided to help the dove. So what ant did to help the dove? Ant quickly crawled inside the hunter's boot and stung his ankle, and because of the ant's bite, hunter lost his balance and missed the aim. In this way, dove got to know that hunter was trying to shoot it, and then dove flew away from that tree, and dove saved its life. In this way, both ant and dove saved each other's life one by one, and that is why they became the inseparable friends. Inseparable means always together. They became very best friend of each other. This was the story, and the moral of the story, or the lesson which we learned from this story is the friend in need is the friend in deed. सो जो हमारा दोस्त हमारी मुसीबत के समय हमारे मदद करता है, हमारे काम आता है, वही हमारा सच्चा दोस्त होता है. द फ्रेंड हु हेल्प्स ड्यूरिंग आवर डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम इज़ आवर रियल फ्रेंड. जो हमारी मदद करता है हमारे मुसीबत में, हमारे कठिन समय पे, वही हमारा सच्चा दोस्त होता है. ऐसे इस स्टोरी का जो है इससे हम शिक्षा लेते हैं. ऐसे स्टोरी से ये शिक्षा हम प्राप्त करते हैं. ओके किड्स, सो इन दिस वे आई हैव रिवाइज्ड दिस लेसन नंबर 4, एंड फ्रॉम दिस लेसन we will revise the difficult words and the word meaning. So difficult words from this chapter number 4 are struggled, drowning, sitting, trouble, managed, crawl, quickly, plucked, grateful, hunter, spotted, grateful, stung, balance, beast, inseparable. Okay, and the word meanings are river bank. What is river bank? Slopes on the sides of the river. So river के side में जो land होती है, the land which is situated along the side of the river, that is called as the river bank. Struggled means tried very hard. Whenever somebody is in trouble, they struggle to come out of that trouble, है ना. So struggle means trying very hard. किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा कोशिश करना, उस चीज़ से उभरने की कोशिश करना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्ट्रगल्ड, ट्राइड वेरी हार्ड. नेक्स्ट, ड्राउनिंग मीन्स सिंकिंग. ओके, सिंकिंग मीन्स पानी में डूबने को क्या बोलते हैं? ड्राउनिंग. नेक्स्ट, ट्रबल मीन्स डिफ़िकल्टी. ग्रेटफुल मीन्स थैंकफुल, किसी का आभारी होना. स्पॉटेड मीन्स सॉ, किसी को देख के आप नोटिस करते हो ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पॉटेड. स्टंग मीन्स प्रिक्ड, चुभना या डंक मारना, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्टंग. बीस्ट मीन्स एनिमल, जानवर. inseparable means always together. So these are the words meaning related to this chapter. Okay. Now let us revise the question answers from this chapter. Answer the following questions. What happened to the ant? Ant को क्या हुआ था? When an ant was busy looking for food on the river bank, a strong wind blew him into the river. So when ant was busy for looking its food, the strong wind came and blew the ant into the river. So this is the answer of this question. इसका मतलब है जब एंट अपना खाना ढूंढने में बहुत ही व्यस्त थी तभी वहाँ पे एक ज़ोर का हवा का झोंका आया और उस हवा के झोंके की वजह से जो ये एंट है बहुत ही छोटी सी होती है, इसलिए वो उड़ के नदी के पानी में गिर गई. ओके. Second question. How did the dove help the ant? The dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it near the ant into the river. In this way, dove helped the ant. So question is, how did dove help the ant? Means dove ने ant की कैसे मदद की? And the answer is, when dove saw ant was drowning into the water, dove क्विकली प्लक्ड ऑफ द लीफ. डव ने जल्दी से पेड़ का एक पत्ता तोड़ा एंड डव ड्रॉप्ड दिस लीफ नियर द एंट इनटू द रिवर. फिर डव ने क्या किया? पत्ता तोड़ने के बाद डव ने वो पत्ता एंट के पास नदी के पानी में डाल दिया. एंड इन दिस वे डव हेल्प्ड द एंट. और इसी तरह डव ने एंट की मदद की. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज, what did the ant do when he saw the hunter take aim? हंटर जब एंट डव की तरफ एम लगा रहा था, निशाना लगा रहा था, तब एंट ने क्या किया? ऐसे इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग है. एंड द आंसर इज, व्हेन एंट सॉ द हंटर एमिंग एट द dove, the ant quickly crawled inside the hunter's boots and stung his ankle. So when ant saw hunter aiming towards the dove, ant also decided to help the dove, and ant quickly crawled inside the hunter's boot and then ant bite his ankle. फिर ant ने क्या किया हेल्प करने के लिए? एंट ने जब हंटर को देखा डव की तरफ बंदूक का निशाना साधा हुआ है, तो उसने जल्दी से जाके हंटर के बूट में घुस के हंटर की जो एंकल होता है वहाँ पे काट लिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ अ मोरल फॉर दिस स्टोरी? राइट इट डाउन. सो मोरल मीन्स हमने इस कहानी से, इस स्टोरी से क्या सीख ली है. वॉट लेसन वी हैव लर्नड through this story, they are asking us, and we have to write it down. The moral of the story is, a friend in a need is a friend in a deed, which means good friends always help each other in the difficult times. So the moral which we have learned from this story is, the good friend always helps each other, है ना. good friends always help each other. This is the lesson which we learned from this story. I hope you have understood everything one more time nicely. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.